It's a beautiful day today, and this is the Harvest Thanksgiving Bazaar of St. Michael Catholic Church, Ketu. It is Harvest of Divine Restoration. Lots of activities to catch up with today. Yes, it's going to be fun. And in case you're not here, I think you should start coming. Okay, so today we are going to have fun, not just fun. We are thanking God for life. We're thanking God for everything He has done all over the year. Yes, it's a beautiful day here today, and we have lots of societies who are happy, catching fun. In case you're not here, I think you should start coming. Harvest of Divine Restoration.
The Harvest Committee to organize this year's harvest, and today is the Bazaar Day, and we're grateful for all those that are gathered today to celebrate with us. It is good to serve the Lord, and there is no way you can outgive God. So today we come to appreciate God in His infinite mercy, to thank Him for His faithfulness upon us, for His generosity, and keeping us alive. We come to say thank you to God Almighty for all that He has been giving us. Despite all what has been happening in the country, we are alive today. So it is not out of place that we are gathered today as children of God to say thank you for all that He has been doing. So today is an opportunity to share, to give out, and then rejoice with all parishioners. And it has been the culture of this parish that every year we have a church harvest to celebrate and rejoice with God Almighty. And today's bazaar is going to be a success.
Mr. Supaibu, are you still here? Mr. Supaibu. Mr. You are the way to the CMO take 10,000. Yes. Yes.
It's a cause on the beat loading. Bemruru nigwe akama honye nzọpụta ngekene ya n'iho mere oziri m ụzọ ndụ wee gbapụta m na njọ mama Jizọs onye ebere m gasị ya aijesi ya imorisi ya ọ dịghị onye yiri ya, ọ dịghị onye yiri ya, ọ dịghị onye yiri Chineke nke n'igwe, ọ dịghị onye anyị ga-eji ma ya tụsị, ọ bụ ya yiri ya Chimo.